In this tutorial, we talk about annotating dictionaries in Python. For instance, I define the dictionary example dict. I assign some keys and values to it, for example, age, and assign the value 20. To annotate this dictionary, I can use the dict type. To specify the type of keys and values for this dictionary type, we pass the type of the key of the dictionary as the first argument inside the square brackets, and as the second argument we pass the type of the value of the dictionary. We can append more key value pairs to the dictionary, but if the type of the key value pairs that we assign to the dictionary are of another type than the one that we have already specified, the editor will throw an error saying that none is incompatible with a string and float is incompatible with integer. Now I define a function and pass a dictionary to the function to show you the importance of type hints and type annotations in Python when working with functions. Since I haven't specified the type of the example dict that I've already passed to the function, the autocompletion of the editor will not suggest anything regarding the methods available for the dictionary type. Specifically, when I assign each value of the dictionary to a variable, here the loop variable value, the editor will not suggest any methods available for the value, because the editor is unaware of the type of the variable value, since we haven't specified its type. So now if I specify the type of the argument that is passed to our function and also specify the type of the key value pairs of the dictionary, if I rewrite the body of the function, the autocompletion feature of the editor will suggest some methods available for example dict and the variable value. Now I define two dictionaries with different key value pair types. If I pass the first dictionary, that is the another dict dictionary, to the function, the editor will throw an error saying that the types are incompatible with each other because we have already specified the type of the key value pairs of the dictionary that is passed to the function as the first argument. So the static type checker helps us to avoid bugs of this kind. But if I pass a dictionary with a compatible type to the function that we have already defined, the editor will not throw any kind of error. Also note that if I remove the type of the key value pairs that I've already specified for the argument that is passed to the function, the editor will not be able to catch the error of the incompatibility of the type of the dictionary that we are passing to the function. So specifying the type purely as dictionary won't be enough. You have to also specify the type of key value pairs. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. And also check out Python Type Hints for Beginners playlist. As always, see you all later.